In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to perform a Slack pull in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right into it with a simple step-by-step guide to effectively navigate Slack and enhance your productivity. First, we begin by heading over to Slack's official website. You can do this by simply opening your web browser and typing in slack.com. This page is a gateway to a powerful suite of AI work management and productivity tools which are going to make your Slack experience seamless and efficient. Once you're on the Slack homepage, look for the sign in option. Here you'll see the prompt to sign in with Google, which is a quick and convenient method if you're using Google services. Simply click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your Google account credentials. This will log you into Slack quickly and securely. After successfully signing in, it's time to move to the Slack dashboard. The dashboard is your control center and the hub of all your communications. You'll find your workspaces and channels here, which are vital for staying organized and on top of your tasks. Make sure you familiarize yourself with this area as it forms the backbone of your Slack usage. Next, we need to delve into one of your channels. A channel is where all the magic happens in Slack. It's where you collaborate with your team, share updates, and discuss project workflows. Simply click on any channel of your choice to proceed. Once you're in the channel, look towards the upper section of the interface where you'll find a small 3-dot icon. Clicking this will reveal additional options for managing your channel. These dots are akin to a menu button where you can access channel-specific settings and options. Among these options, you'll need to click on Edit Settings. This step is crucial as it allows you to customize the channel settings according to your needs. Whether it's managing members or adjusting notification preferences, taking the time to personalize these settings can greatly impact your workflow and productivity. Continuing, we'll want to check out the About section. Click on About to get a comprehensive overview of the channel. This is where you can learn more about what the channel is focused on, the purpose it serves, and any pinned posts or important notes the team might have left for channel members. It's a quick way to get updated on channel activities. Finally, the last step is to click on Files. This section holds all the documents and files shared within the channel. It's an essential tool for managing attachments, locating past files, and ensuring that important documents don't get lost in the constant flow of messages. And there you have it. With these steps, you've effectively learned how to navigate through Slack and optimize your workspace. This approach allows you to streamline your communication and stay organized. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope these insights enhance your Slack experience.